Alright, welcome back to the Ponix Haven. It's a little bit different. I put a video on yesterday. I don't think on the little drill press vise, but I'm going to go into a little bit more details about it. You're going to need two pieces of 8-inch long. These are they're inch and 3/4 by inch and 3/4 wide. Okay, they're 8 inches long. Well, just turn this thing around. Yep. 8 inches long. Alright. Now, you're going to need two carriage bolts, okay, that has the square little end behind it. They're 5/16. They're 5 inches long, or you can get 6 inches long, whatever, 4 inches, whatever you can find. You're going to need a 9/32 and a 5/16 drill bit. You're going to need two washers, 5/16 washers. You're going to need, they are called, let's see, they are called clamping knobs with female inserts, 5/16. Basically what they look like. Okay, I bought these at Lowe's. All together, these two and the two carriage bolts and washers, $2.50. Okay, I had this laying around. You may have some laying around. $2.50. This is what I have in it. $2.50. Alright, you're going to take one. This is the one that's going to have the square holes in it. You're going to take the 9/32 bit. You're going to pull over an inch over, okay? To make a mark, an inch over, make a mark. You're going to come from the inside, 3/4 of an inch off the inside. Make a mark. 3/4 of an inch. Make a mark. Then you need to take and take a punch, make your mark on here, and so that your drill bit will find it a lot easier. Well, you won't. You know, it's important to get these lined up. It is very important. It's absolutely necessary for these to line up perfectly. Okay? So make sure they line up. Once you get those drilled, okay? Now, you have, these are not necessarily necessary for you to drill these. I just drilled them so that they would match these holes here. You don't have to drill them. Now, you do the same thing with these, okay? With these right here, I mean. Inch over, come up 3/4 of an inch on the inside. 3/4 of an inch on the inside. Okay? Mark them, drill these with the 5/32. Okay? Now, once you get these drilled with the 5/32, you come back with one of these bits, if you have one, and hit both sides of these with it. Okay, it makes that a nice clean, and that bit, and it will have that carriage bit to travel through that a lot easier. Or you can, if you don't have one, get a drill bit that's a lot bigger than that, and you can do the same thing with it. Okay, now you had a 9/32 bit on it. It's a lot smaller than the carriage bolt. Okay. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take this. It is a rectangle file. Okay. You're going to start with it. You're going to have to find a file that will fit in that 9/32 file. Now, I bought this. I bought it as a kit. If you don't have these, I bought this at Lowe's for $7.98. Now, if you add this onto it, so you're going to have what, $12 and something with it. This handle didn't come with it. I had this already, but $7.98. You'll have all together $12 and something. But if you have this bit, we have this file, will be good. So you're going to file these until you get this where that carriage bolt will fit. Now listen to me. This has got to be important. You've got to have it where that carriage bolt will fit in there tight. If it doesn't quite fit in there, you take that thing and you tap it in there to where it sits tight in there, okay? You see, that is tight and snug. Alright? Here's the other one. See, it's not sitting there quietly snug. Now it is. They're both snug. Alright. When you get both of them in there, you get them all drilled. You put your washers on. Okay? This is an easy project. It's simple, it's easy. Put your little clamping knobs on there. Do not try to force your carriage bolts through this hole when you're doing it, because you do not want to mess up the threads. Okay? But that is a simple way of building this thing so that you can have you a little clamping . Alright. You can go with a smaller, alrighty. Now, there you go. You have a clamping jig to use on your vise. You can turn that thing any way you want to. And you have a clamping jig to work on your vise. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment if you have any questions. I know this is a little bit different content than what I normally do, but anyway, thank you for watching, and God bless you, and we'll see you